السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. We are our class pupils ready to present to you a poem entitled Celebration. Sit back, relax, and enjoy yourself. Welcome. Celebration. Celebration, celebration, so we love it. All have gone so well. Preparation are gone. Balloons everywhere. Colors everywhere. So we love it. Years are so gone. Levels are so gone. Pupils to primary, primary to junior. So we love it. Look at the teachers. Look at the parents. Together they united, and here we are. So we love it. Father, mother, sister, godly they brought us. Holistically we grow, and deeply we prosper. So we love it.